Hello, I am Walt Disney. I was born in Chicago. As a boy, I dreamed big. I loved to draw and imagine. My family was not rich. We had little money. But I had big ideas. I wanted to create magic. I started drawing early. I worked hard every day. Sometimes people laughed at me, but I kept believing in dreams. I learned many things young. I made mistakes and failed. But every time I failed, I learned and grew stronger. Creativity was my passion. I wanted to bring joy. I wanted to tell stories. Stories that touch the heart. I found 10 rules. These rules helped me grow. They helped me create magic. They can help you too. In this story, I will share my rules. I will tell my journey. I want you to learn. Let's start now, friend. Let your mind open wide. Let your heart lead you and make your dreams real. When I was young, I dreamed big dreams. I saw castles and clouds. I wanted to build them. Some people said no. They said dreams are silly. They said dreams are hard. But I did not listen. My dreams gave me power. They kept me moving forward. They gave me hope daily. They made me strong inside. I drew pictures often. I imagined new worlds. I wanted to share stories. I wanted to make magic. This is rule number 10. Dream big every day. Dreams open your mind wide. They push you to try. I worked hard for dreams. I never gave up hope. Even when times were hard, I held my dreams tight. Sometimes dreams felt far. Sometimes they seemed impossible. But I kept believing. I kept reaching higher. Remember this lesson well. Always dream beyond limits. Let your heart fly free. Make your dreams come true. When I started, I had many ideas, but not all worked. Some plans failed badly. I was afraid sometimes, afraid to lose everything. But I knew risks matter. Without risk, no progress. One day, I tried a new kind of cartoon. It was very different. Many said it was crazy. I almost gave up. But I took a risk. I worked hard again. I believed in my idea. This is rule number 9. Take risks with courage. You must try new things, even if you feel scared. Risk means trying new paths. Risk means you can fail. But failure teaches lessons. Lessons help you grow. I lost many times, but risk brought success too. Without risk, no magic. Without risk, no dreams. Remember this rule well. Be brave to take risks. Try even when scared. You can grow stronger. Sometimes things were hard. Many times I failed. I lost money and friends. I felt tired and sad. People told me quit. They said I was crazy. But I kept trying. I never stopped working. One day, I lost my studio. I was almost broken. But I believed in dreams. I rose up again. This is rule number 8. Never give up, no matter what. Keep trying every day. Believe you will succeed. Failure is not the end. It is a new start. Every fall is a lesson. Every loss makes you strong. I learned to stand up, even when it was hard. I kept my heart strong. I kept moving forward. When others quit, I kept my dreams alive. I kept working hard. I kept my vision clear. Remember this lesson well. Never stop chasing dreams. Even when the road is tough, success will come to you. When I was young, I tried to do alone, but I soon learned I needed help from others. Artists taught me skills. Friends shared new ideas. They showed me better ways. I listened and learned. Working with others, we made better cartoons. We shared dreams and plans. We helped each other. Sometimes I made mistakes. My friends helped fix them. They saw what I missed. Their advice made me strong. This is rule number 7. Learn from people around you. Listen well and ask questions. You grow by learning. No one knows all. We need each other. Together, we create more. Together, we reach higher. I loved my team. They were my strength. We worked and dreamed. We made magic happen. Remember this lesson well. Learn from your friends. Ask for help when needed. You will grow fast. As a boy, I dreamed. I saw things no one did. I painted worlds inside me. My mind was full of colors. I used imagination every day. It helped me create stories. I drew new characters. I built new places. Sometimes, others did not understand. They said, "That is not real." But I believed in dreams. I trusted my imagination. This is rule number 6. Embrace your imagination fully. Let your mind fly free. It is your greatest tool. Imagination brings new ideas. It helps you solve problems. It creates magic in life. Makes you different. I worked hard to imagine. I did not stop dreaming. I filled pages with colors. I built my dream worlds. You can do this too. Let your mind explore. Let your heart create. Let imagination lead you. Remember this lesson well. Imagination is the key. It opens doors to dreams. It changes the world. When I started my work, I saw many big ideas. But I learned the secret. Details make things special. I watched every small part. I looked at colors and shapes. I listened to sounds and music. I cared about every moment. Sometimes people miss details. They wanted only big things. But I knew small things matter. Small things make big magic. This is rule number 5. Pay attention to details always. Details bring stories to life. Details make work better. In my cartoons and parks, every detail was important. From the sound of footsteps to the light in eyes, I worked hard to perfect. I did not rush things. I wanted every part right, because details touch the heart. You must look closely too. See the little things well. They make your work shine. They make your dream real. Remember this lesson well. Details can change your work. Details show care and love. Details create true magic. When I was a boy, I asked many questions. I wanted to learn more. I was always curious. I watched how things worked. I studied people and places. I read books every day. I never stopped wondering. Curiosity led me forward. It helped me find answers. It showed me new paths. It opened my mind wide. This is rule number 4. Be curious about everything. Ask questions all the time. Never stop wanting to learn. Sometimes I tried new things. I made mistakes but learned. I followed my curiosity. It made me better. Curiosity makes your mind grow. Makes you creative and smart. It helps you solve problems. It leads to new ideas. I stayed curious all life. It helped me create magic. It helped me dream bigger. It helped me succeed. Remember this lesson well. Be curious in all you do. Curiosity is the key. It will change your life. When I was young, I always wanted to learn. Every day I read books. I listened to new ideas. Sometimes I did not know, but I asked many questions. I never stopped being curious. Learning was my great joy. I studied art and stories. I practiced drawing each day. I learned from others' work. I wanted to get better. This is rule number 3. Keep learning all your life. Never think you know all. There is always more to learn. Learning makes you strong. It helps you grow and change. It opens doors to dreams. It makes your work better. Even when I was famous, I still learned something new. I stayed open to change. I kept my mind fresh. Learning is a journey. It never really ends. You must be a student every day of your life. Remember this lesson well. Keep learning with your heart. Your mind will grow bigger. Your dreams will become real. Sometimes life was hard. I faced many problems. I lost money and friends. I felt tired and sad. But I chose to smile. I looked for the good. I believed things would change. I kept hope in my heart. This is rule number 2. Stay positive every day. Find light in the darkness. Keep faith when times are tough. Positive thinking helped me. It gave me strength to fight. It opened new doors. It brought new ideas. Even when others doubted, I kept my mind bright. I smiled through struggles. I believed in better days. Positivity is a power. It changes how you see. It helps you keep going. It makes your dreams real. I learned to stay strong, to find joy in small things, to keep moving forward, to never lose hope. Remember this lesson well. Stay positive in all things. Your mind is very strong. Your heart can change life. Dreams are not enough. You must work each day. You must take small steps. You must make things real. When I was young, I had big ideas, but I needed to act. I could not just wait. I started drawing early. I made cartoons alone. I asked others to help. I built my first studio. This is rule number 1. Take action on your dreams. Don't wait for the right time. Start now, small or big. Action turns dreams real. Action makes magic happen. Action creates new chances. Action brings you success. Sometimes it is scary. Sometimes you may fail. But action teaches lessons. It moves you forward. I learned to start early, to work hard every day, to keep trying and moving, to make my dreams real. Remember this lesson well. Take action now today. Your dreams need your work. You are the magic maker. What is your favorite Disney rule? Which lesson inspires you most? How will you use these ideas? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear your story. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Your dream, your work, your magic